deliver export hopes and aspirations. TR Apparels is one of the leading manufacturers and exporters in India. The company has been consistently producing high-quality woven and knitted garments. Our vision is to cater an array of the world of fashion for our customers who love to splurge, relish, and enjoy to stay in vogue. A professional approach to reliable delivery, quality control, product development, and commitment to the compliance of global standards has ensured that our list of satisfied customers keeps growing. We manufacture men, kids, and women's wear in both knits and woven, which are exported at globally competitive prices to Europe, USA, and Australia. Right from yarn to making fabrics of different quality in cotton, synthetic, blends like viscose, modal, polyester, melanges, yarn-dyed, organic, slub, compact yarn, etc., produced in-house in huge knitting with state-of-the-art dyeing facilities. Fashion innovation, design studio, flexibility, shorter lead time, ability to process orders of any quantity. Adding life to fashion and trends. More than 2 decades, we have been creating value to fabric with expertise in exports of garments. Wide range of collections from menswear to kidswear to women's wear, boys and girls to infant wear, and made-ups come with many design varieties. Accessories like pillow cover, blankets, drapes, curtains, etc. are too manufactured and exported. Now TR Apparels has come out with their exclusive native brand, Territ. Territ has an exclusive mix of latest fashion trends and has been supplying to more than 200 outlets in India. Territ is growing as an exclusive retail chain with more than 4 stores and now aiming to expand in metro areas too. Our USP: with years of expertise at an impressive growth rate, you may rely on us for being your long-term business partner. Capability: all our factories are equipped with the latest computerized Japanese-made Brother and Juki sewing machines. Assurance: we are an ISO 9001-2008. Our facilities have been certified with ETI, BSCI, Ecotex 1 and 2, CDEX, GOTS Organic, RAP, BCI, ISO 14001-2008, Fair Trade, SA 8000, Disney FAMA. Our delivery and export processes include market-friendly and easy business practices, and our clientele has been growing day by day. Territ, new super cool trendy wear. TR Apparels.